Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can turn on game mode on BenQ Monitor. So what you'll need to do is basically by going right here to these buttons and clicking on the second from the bottom, you will basically enter the menu button. And if you scroll down with the arrows like that, and if you go to the picture advanced, then use this arrow to go inside, you will be able to change from the standard, as you can see, to movie, then to the game, and all of that. As you can see, photo, RGB, echo, and user. So select the game, then select this check arrow, and that's how you change the game mode on BenQ Monitor. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.